This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert image captions in LibreOffice Writer. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Writer here. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now. I have an image on my document here. This happens to be my cat. To insert an image caption, you can either right-click on the image, go down to where it says Insert Caption, or you can select your image, go up to the top, go up to where it says Insert, click on Insert, and go down to where it says Caption. Click on Caption. Either way, it brings up the same dialog box. Now in this dialog box, you would want to print what you want your caption to say right up here. And then you can go down below here, Category. Down at the bottom down here, you have a preview of what your caption is going to look like. Right now, mine's going to say Figure 1, colon, and then what I typed. But you can change that up here under Category. You can click the drop down. You can choose it to Illustration, Table, Text, Drawing. If I select Drawing, now my image caption is going to say Drawing 1. If I don't want it to say anything before my caption text, you just go up there, click that, select None. Then down here you can position it. Do you want it below your image or above it? You can click the drop down, above or below. I'm going to leave mine below. Go down to the bottom, click on OK. And right there is my image caption. Now you can also double click on that and you can insert more text in there if you would like. That is how to insert an image caption in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching.